Car windows often steam up, especially in cold or rainy weather, making it hard to see clearly. This happens when warm, moist air inside the car meets the cold glass. Luckily, there are simple ways to prevent your car windows from steaming up, keeping your view clear and safe while driving. Using a potato can help stop car windows from steaming up by reducing moisture buildup. Cut a potato in half and rub it on the inside of the windows. The starch helps reduce fogging by creating a thin layer that prevents moisture buildup. Hand gel can help stop car windows from steaming up by creating a thin layer on the glass. You can use hand gel to stop car windows from steaming up. Simply apply a small amount of hand gel to a cloth and rub it on the inside of the windows. The gel creates a thin layer that helps prevent fogging. Steaming hot water can help stop car windows from steaming up by adding warmth and reducing moisture. To stop car windows from steaming up, you can use steaming hot water. Pour hot water into a bowl and place it in the car for a few minutes. The steam will help clear the fog on your windows. Toothpaste is an effective solution to prevent steaming by creating a thin anti-fog layer that reduces condensation. Apply a thin, even layer of toothpaste onto a clean microfiber cloth. Gently rub it over the car window in small circular motions for a few minutes. Make sure to distribute the toothpaste evenly across the entire surface of the window. Then take another clean microfiber cloth to carefully wipe off the entire residue. This method will give you amazing results and make the car windows clean and clear. A glass water repellent liquid is designed for windshield and windows, which makes them resistant to water and other liquids. Rain-X Original Windshield Treatment helps water bead up and slide off your windshield and windows. Simply apply the liquid to the glass, and it helps water to slide off easily. This improves visibility, especially during rain or foggy conditions. So, by using these effective methods and products, you can prevent your car windows from steaming up and improve visibility.